Okay, today we're doing a fitment on a 2023 BMW M240i. This one has the adaptive cruise with the camera in the center, so we're going to have to mount it off to the side. We're going to mount it off to the driver's side in this one, and there you can see the camera, and we're going to mount it to the right of that, or the driver's side.
Now we're going to remove the two screws. There's one that's there. These are going to be on the driver's side or right side of the car as you're looking at it. It's going to be like these are the two in the center, so you're going to skip over to this one, and then you're going to skip over to this one right here. All right. 4.8 by 25 with a 5/16 spacer. You're going to put the screw through the base plate. Start it in your first hole there, and I know it's kind of hard to see underneath there, but that's kind of the nature of the beast here. There we go. And then this one right here. And that definitely looks a lot better. Alright, then we're going to use a 4.8 by 25, and we're going to tighten them up. There you go, nice and snug. Don't be afraid to tighten them up. Now we're going to take the front plate, start it in, pull the pull pin, release it, and push it until it clicks into place. And there you go.
Alright, there's what it looks like on the front there.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other three screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.